Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare a delicious lomo saltado. But with all the secrets that no one wants to teach you, so follow me. Let us begin. To prepare this lomo saltado, I will prepare head of loin, because it wasn't enough for fine loin. I'm short on money, excuse me, and we remove the excess skin, some nerves of the flesh, and excess fat to have very clean meat. And so the meat of the loin comes out softer. Remember that we are not going to throw away the pieces of meat that we remove. This will help us make a sauce. Very rich. And we cut our meat into pieces. Medium, regular, or the size you prefer. We add a little salt. We add freshly ground pepper for taste. And mix well. And we mix it well mixed. We are going to leave this for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we prepare all our vegetables, and we will start with the onion. We will remove the heart of the onion. Please don't throw it away. Now let's go for the tomato. This time I'm going to peel it. Do you know why? Look what happens with water on the skin. That also happens with the loin juice. And in the end the tomato is left without flavor. Therefore, I am going to peel the tomato so that it absorbs even the same flavor of the lomo saltado. And the tomato skin is not going to be thrown away either. We cut into 4 parts, and we remove this part of the crown of the tomato, and so we proceed with everything. We cut into smaller segments, or the size you really prefer, and we continue with the yellow chili. We remove both parts. We cut in half, and with the help of a spoon, we remove the seeds and veins to remove excess spice. And we will cut the pickled chili into strips, and the strips should be like this. I will also use Chinese onion. Don't throw away the head part, that will help us later. And so we cut into large pieces. Once finished, let's make the sauce that I told you. Do you remember the tomato peel, the pieces of meat, the Chinese onion, and the heart of the onion? We put everything together and add a clove of garlic. We are going to make a salsa so that the loin is richer. So let's start. We turn on the kitchen. We put our frying pan. We add a little oil. We add the pieces of meat. We let it brown for a while. We add the garlic clove, onion, Chinese onion, the tomato peel, and remove. Let it fry for a moment. We add a little water. A piece of rosemary, optional. We wait 10 to 15 minutes and return. Once 10 to 15 minutes have passed, let's see how it turns out. We remove the piece of rosemary. We let it cool and take it to blend. We blend very carefully. We leave between 2 to 3 minutes. Let it blend well. Really? With this sauce you will get a very delicious loin. It will give you the juice you need and the desired thickness. So now we have everything ready to turn on the kitchen and prepare that lomo saltado. We turn on our kitchen, we put our frying pan, a little of oil, and let it heat up for a few minutes. We add our meat very carefully. We let it seal on both sides. Once one side is sealed, we move to the other side, and we start to flame. Very carefully. The secret is in the flamita. Remember that. We add the pickled strips, the onion in wedges. A secret, put the garlic after flaming to avoid burning it. We brown a little. We add a little vinegar and our special sauce. The amount is up to you. We stir. We add a little saltado. We add the tomatoes last so that they do not overcook. We add Chinese onion, freshly chopped cilantro, freshly toasted oregano, and we serve. And we serve accompanied with its well-grained rice and its very crispy potato. Remember that in the chicken broster video we show you how to do it with all that juice that gives it that special sauce. So you have to try it, yes or yes.